So the question for this presentation is, what is the common seal and what is a company stamp? Where are these two objects used, and are these two things still relevant today? So sometimes people are a bit confused about common seal and a company stamp. So let's have a look on what these things are. So common seal is a kind of a company signature. Now since company is an artificial person incorporated under law, it cannot really sign on its own. So common seal acts as a signature of the company, and it is generally kept in the custody of company secretary. It is affixed on the important documents or important contracts of the company, and it confirms that company and the board of directors have accepted the terms and conditions of that document. So generally common seal is of a high value, in the sense it is used only for the important documents and not for day-to-day management activities. Like for example, suppose you are entering into a big contract for supply of goods, then the company might ask, the business partner might ask the document to be executed under company seal. But if you are ordering, let's say, some stationery from a local shop, and if that shop owner wants something to be put on that contract, then you may not use common seal, you will use stamp. So I'll show you how the common seal looks, and it looks like this, as you can see over here. And you generally take this out and you will put it like this. So let me fix this for you. So now this seal is ready for execution, and I will take a paper. So presume that this blank paper is actually the contract, and what you typically do is you will put this seal like this and then press it. So now the seal details will get embossed onto this, and you can see it over here. Sometimes a red sticker is also put on this, so that these details are visible quite clearly. So the next thing is then stamp. So stamp, I think everybody knows, and you must have used it in your companies also. It's just a plain stamp, and it also acts as a company signature. However, it has a lower value compared to common seal. Stamp can be kept in the custody of any company officer, and in many offices, the secretary, not the company secretary, the office secretary or the receptionist will have custody of the stamp. And small things that get supplied, for example, even if you are couriering something, the courier person might want you to put the stamp, company stamp, on the invoice. So in that case, stamp will be used. So I'll just show you a stamp here, which is like this. So, and you just affix it on a specific invoice. Are these two things now relevant today? So what I have seen is common seal is rarely used. It was a common practice to affix seal on company documents around 10 years back. But in last 10 years, I have seen the use of seal happening quite rarely. Whereas stamp is obviously required for day-to-day operations, because many a times many small suppliers also will ask you to put the company stamp, and having the stamp in that case is always convenient. Otherwise your transactions can stall, and you may need to order company stamp quite hurriedly. So in reality, many companies don't prepare seal, but they will get stamp prepared. However, keep it in mind, Companies Act still requires you to have both. So whether you prepare or not is up to you, but legally it is required to be prepared. If you are engaging a corporate secretarial firm like ours, we will normally order both seal as well as stamp for your company once it is incorporated. And both these documents will be kept in our custody and can be used as and when required.
Thank you for watching this video. This video was brought to you by Epica Consulting Singapore. Subscribe to our channel today to get notified when new videos are posted.